Hello. Hi. How are you? Have you seen our last session, operating system? Did you understand what is operating system? Operating system is the interface between you and me, you and the computer. It is a medium between computer and you, user. And today we are going to learn about graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is the computer operating system which uses icons, buttons and mouse and keyboard. All of us are using this graphical user interface today. We can operate a computer with just a mouse click. Let us learn graphical user interface. Let's go.
In this session, we are going to learn about graphical user
interface.
In the last session, we have learned about operating system. What is operating system? Operating system acts as an interface between
User and computer.
what are the different types of operating system? CUI and GUI. Examples of CUI are DOS and
Linux
examples of GUI are Windows 7.
and Mac OS.
Now let's learn about graphical user interface.
Windows operating system is a graphical user interface. Many versions of Windows have been released. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8 and Windows 10. When we switch on the computer, we have to sit in front of the screen for some time, waiting for some time. And you can see some blue bars are scrolling through the screen. What's going on that time? It is loading the operating system into the computer's memory. Loading operating system into computer's memory is called booting. Desktop. The first window appear after booting is called desktop.
Now you can see the desktop of Windows 7.
This is the desktop of a computer. Here you can see icons, taskbar and start button.
Now let's learn desktop background.
Or wallpaper. Here you can see a picture on the desktop. The picture at the background of the desktop is called wallpaper or desktop background. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Each icon stands for a file, folder or software. The two main icons on the desktop are computer and recycle bin. Recycle bin is a location where all the deleted files and folders are present. It is the dustbin of your computer. Computer is a location where all the contents of a computer are stored. When we click on that computer, we can see all the contents in the system. Now let's learn taskbar and different parts of taskbar. Taskbar. The long bar seen at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar.
The taskbar contains the start button, the quick launch bar and the notification area. As Windows 10 is used in this system, the start button looks like this.
Start button.
The start button is located at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Here you can see the start button. When you click on it, the start menu opens. This is the start menu. The start menu contains a list of programs. Here you can see list of programs. You can use start button to shut down a computer. When you click on that, you will get the shut down option also.
Basic operations on the desktop. Basic operations on the desktop are
selecting and deselecting desktop icons.
Basic operations on the desktop: selecting and deselecting an icon. Here, to select an icon, move the pointer to that and click on it. The icon is highlighted. Now you can see a blue color around that icon. Icon is highlighted. Now to deselect an icon, click anywhere outside it. Now you deselected that. Moving an icon. To move an icon from one place to another, place the pointer on the icon that you want to move. Press and hold down the left mouse button while you move the icon to a new place. Release the mouse button after dragging the icon to a new position. Now see, you have moved the icon to a new place. Arranging desktop icons. Your desktop can have many icons scattered all over. To arrange them together, right-click on a blank area of the desktop. You will find a list of options in a pop-up menu. Place the mouse pointer on View and click on Auto Arrange icon. Now you can see all the icons in an arranged manner. Sorting desktop icons. Sorting means arranging. Look at these icons. Suppose I want to arrange these icons in alphabetical order. How can I do? First, right-click on a blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Place the mouse pointer on the Sort By option. A sub-menu with 4 options opens. First one, Name. Second one, Size. Third one, Item Type. Fourth one, Date Modified. If you want to arrange the icons in order of alphabetical order, you have to click on Name. If you want to sort the icons in order of file size, you have to click on Size button. To place the same type of files together, you have to click on Item Type. To sort the files in order of the date on which they were edited, you have to click on Date Modified. Now I am clicking Name. Now you can see that they were arranged in the alphabetical order. The order changed. Can you see that? Now let's arrange the icons according to the item type. For that, click on Sort By. Select item type. Now you can see that Word files, 5 Word files together and folders together,
text files. You can see the two text files. So like that, it will be arranged automatically. Now let's sort icons in order of the file size. Click on Sort by option. Select File size. Now the icons will be arranged in our increasing order of the file size. Now let us sort the icons in order of date modified. Right click, select Sort by, select Date modified. Now you can see the file which has been modified last appeared first. In that order, all the files will be arranged. Next basic operation on the desktop is opening an icon. For that, click on the icon you want to open. Here I am clicking on the paint icon. You can click once and press enter key to open that icon, or you can double click on the icon. Here I am double clicking on the icon and the paint window will appear. Now let's go for a recap. When we start computer, it starts loading the operating system. This process makes the computer ready to use. And this is called booting. The process of booting ends with the appearance of a display area on the monitor. This display area is called a desktop. Desktop and its parts. The background picture on the desktop is called the desktop background or the wallpaper. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. An icon can be a file, program, or folder. A file is an item created, stored on a computer. A folder contains and stores different files. My computer and recycle bin are also icons on the desktop. When we click on any icon, a new window opens. The taskbar, long bar which you can see at the bottom of the desktop. There are many buttons and icons on the taskbar. The Start button is located at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the button, it displays list of programs called the Start menu. The icons of those programs which we use frequently are shown on the Quick Launch toolbar like this. We can click on any icon to quickly open the program. The notification area is towards the right of the taskbar. It has different icons.
Now, let's learn question answers. What is an icon? What is an icon? Answer is small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. That's all for today's class. All of you copy this question answer and study well. Thank you and have a nice day.